अरे यार वीडियो बन नहीं पाया वो फिर से पहन चो. So lambda by QL DQ lambda DL. I said this one before. How do you find the Q inside of this rod inside this box, only inside this box? So it would be lambda तो constant है, lambda DL. Now what would be the units? Suppose this over here is at a distance 0,2 and this is 0,4, so 2 to 4. And you know integration lambda L 4 to 2, that is lambda 4 minus 2, 2 lambda. Q inside is equals to 2 lambda. So answer would be 2 lambda by epsilon naught. That's it. Yeah. Now which field मैं क्या करूँ? This question is important, I guess. Suppose this is a long box. Here there is a charge 5q. Here there is a rod half inserted. This whole rod ka charge is, this is the midpoint, okay? The whole charge is 20q, and there's a circle over here, and there's some square over here. Square. This whole charge is 28q. This whole charge is 14q. Now I'm asking you to find the flux inside this whole thing. What would be the flux? It is, and you know the formula, Q inside by epsilon naught. Now what are the charges inside the rod? If we calculate 5q is the charge, obviously it is inside. Now here only half of the rod is inserted, not the full. So 20 by 2, because it is half. Again this is also half, so 28 by 2, and this semicircle ka bhi half, so sorry, plus 14 by 2 divided by epsilon naught. भाई 10 20 30 कैलकुलेशन करना क्या? सी 2 मिनट. 10 30 30 48 48 58 62 31 by epsilon naught आता. Like मैं जल्दी जल्दी कैलकुलेट करा. It can be wrong also, like this calculation, but this formula is same. Suppose there was this rod का 3/4 length was here 1/4 length, and here 3/4 length. Then what would be the answer for this rod? It would be 20 into 3/4, the amount of length inside the Gaussian field inside this box. उसके लिए answer differs, and that's it. This was about Gaussian field. Yes. Hi. I'll do another shape, that is circle, like disc, but it is horizontally kept. There are charges minus 2q and q over here. This is theta, this is theta. I'll just do the hard sum, just explain it. So for this, the net flux would be divided in two parts. One is due to this and other one is due to this. We'll name this as flux phi q, that is equals to q by q 2 epsilon naught, I guess. Yes, I'm right. Q by 2 epsilon naught 1 minus cos theta. What is the theta? Theta is this angle. q पे जो एंगल है वो, एंड दिस इज थीटा 2 अनको phi of 2q. Here the charge minus 2q by 2 epsilon naught 1 minus cos theta 2. This is the answer. Take now delta net phi net. This is normal, you have to just phi 1 plus phi 2, that is like I'll give the theta values to you. Suppose theta 1 is 30, theta 2 is 60. So 1 minus cos 30. What is cos 30, bro? U by 2 epsilon naught 1 minus root 3 by 2, I guess. Here minus 2q by 2, not 1 minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now it is q by 2 epsilon naught 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus minus 2q 2 epsilon naught 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 आता है, and this common लेके I've done this. Now we can take q. See, q minus 2q, what will be the answer? 1 minus 2 is, what's the answer? Minus 1. So here also minus q by 2 epsilon naught 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, because this thing here and this thing here, and बीच में प्लस है ना. Yes. Would it be minus? No, because minus common इधर ले लिया ना. So yes, this is the answer for this thing. Now what if there's an angle only at one side? There's a charge at one side only, q charge. Now here it is easy for you. Theta, that is q by 2 epsilon naught 1 is cos theta. You can just directly apply the value of theta and get the answer. Yes.